Welcome back to Little Yacht Sales. Today's tour is of an impeccable 2014 Sabre 42 Salon Express. As of this video, she is under 300 hours and is priced to sell. When delivered, she was the most technologically advanced Sabre ever built, with more options than any other, including a Seakeeper, a thermal camera, a Skyhook, and much more. Let's check it out. The Sabre 42 offers an exceptional boating experience, and this motor yacht is built to be quiet, fuel efficient, and extremely maneuverable. With its flag blue hull and recessed gold cove stripe, the Sabre is elegant and eye-catching. The stern of the boat features a swim platform with non-skid surface and transom door, as well as a Freedom Lift hydraulic dinghy davit. Cockpit and decks are all non-skid, and the hardtop features Kallenberg horns, thermal camera, and a Garmin optical camera, as well as a retractable cockpit sunshade. The cockpit is spacious, comfortable, and features an L-shaped aft seat, a practical fold-over teak cockpit table, and an aft-facing seat. This motor yacht is fitted with a Zeus pod drive system that makes maneuvering and docking as simple as operating a joystick, and it also includes the Skyhook feature that can anchor you in place using GPS. There's a second joystick control back here in the cockpit, as well as a Garmin display. Other features include storage compartments and a cockpit shower. Moving forward is safe with a non-skid deck and rugged stainless steel bow rails. Stainless steel abounds with 6 custom opening port lights, bow pulpit, and dual anchor roller. There's plenty of chain storage, and the windlass can be operated with foot pedals. Three low-profile Lumar aluminum hatches provide light and airflow below. Passing through a heavy folding glass door, you enter the light and airy salon that's finished in American cherry with teak and holly sole and has plenty of seating for guests. There are sliding cabin windows on both sides, and most of the salon windows can be opened for airflow, including the 2 aft windows that slide down into the bulkhead. An L-shaped leather sofa is to port, with storage underneath, and surrounds an inlaid oval high-low table. To starboard, aft of the helm chairs, is a 2-person love seat with storage below. A Samsung flat-screen TV is hidden away on a lift, and there's a Sonos soundbar just behind. The Helm offers exceptional visibility and is elegantly finished. There is a swinging door to the side deck for quick access and airflow. Features here include Garmin electronics, Fusion stereo, joystick controls, and teak steering. The Stid helm seats are plush and adjustable, and there is red and blue night lighting here as well. The mid-galley is positioned well, close to the salon yet still below the sight lines when underway. There is plenty of storage and also features a microwave, glass ceramic cooktop, and stainless steel undermounted sink. The 2-drawer refrigerator is below the cooktop, with the isotherm freezer separate. The beautiful Galley sole is bird's eye maple and lifts to reveal even more storage. The dinette features fore and aft facing seating and an inlaid teak table between. The curtain can be drawn for privacy, and other features here include a VHF radio and satellite phone. Forward of the seats is an ice maker and bar storage, as well as another flat screen TV. The fully equipped head can be accessed from both the dinette and master stateroom. It features a vacuum flush head and circular shower with a seat and adjustable wand. Other features include a stainless steel undermounted oval sink and a wood-trimmed adjustable mirror. The luxurious owner's cabin has a low island berth for ease of access. There are drawers underneath, as well as storage cabinets above the berth, and many drawers and cabinets throughout. The whole sides are warm cherry, and there is a third flat screen TV here. The hanging locker is lined with cedar. The engine room access hatch is back in the salon. It is well lit, and down here you'll find the 12 kilowatt generator as well as the Seakeeper. Also down here are the upgraded twin Cummins 425 horsepower engines and the twin Zeus pod drives. Even at wide open throttle, noise levels aboard measure at only 77 decibels. The Sabre 42 is the ultimate cruising and entertaining yacht, and this boat shows as new. She has been kept in a covered shed and is cleaned and maintained like clockwork. You can find the full specs, options list, and asking price at the link in the description below, and as always for our other listings, visit our website.